On behalf of the Shivanjali Trust and the Temple of Fine Arts, we take great pleasure in welcoming all of you to our Navaratri Aradhana 2013. Navaratri is the most auspicious time of the year, the most beautiful time for all of us at the Temple of Fine Arts. Our beloved founder, His Holiness Swami Shantanand Saraswati, has taught us that Devi, the Divine Universal Mother, is worshipped in her three forms of Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati over these 9 days of Navaratri, 3 days each equally. On the 10th day, the victorious 10th day of Vijayadashami, the realization dawns on all of us that the Divine Mother is one, the forms are three. And the Mother is so compassionate that the forms are taken so that we can understand and love her in the form that we like the best. So at this time of the year, it is but fitting that all our young students and our teachers at the Temple of Fine Arts, who have been taught from the beginning that music and dance are prayers in themselves and they are one path to the divine, get together and offer Aradhana to Devi in the only way they know, through music and dance. That is the reason why this Aradhana has come into existence, and with our Guru's grace, it goes on year after year. We request that all the audience settle down. There is one humble request before we begin. Kindly switch off your mobiles or put them on silent mode. This rule is very strict. If it is not complied with, we at the Temple of Fine Arts accept donations very gracefully. Your phone is a most welcome addition. We're about to begin our Aradhana. The first half will be the musical offering and the second half will be the offering of the dance department. We're going to begin with our juniors all seated and ready. Every Navaratri we never tire of offering you these young Kutti Golu Bommes live and singing their hearts out to Devi. So we are ready to begin our performance, and it is indeed my pleasure. We are very grateful to have with us our guest of honor this evening, Dr. Sri Vidya, who is here. She is, in one word, a wordsmith, and that was what I found so beautifully aptly descriptive about her. She is into literature, she's into culture in a big way. She's here with us to enjoy the evening with us and motivate our students and parents at the end of the evening. Thank you for joining us. And now we'll move into our Aradhana for this evening. For all of us here at the Temple of Fine Arts, Navaratri is a very special time, made even more so because of the legacy that our Guru has left for us. Dance and music, something that can carry on forever. And that is what we're about to offer both Devi and our Swamiji. The whole Navaratri celebration is going to begin with these little ones singing their hearts out. They will begin with a Swarajati in the Ragam Kamas, and the Talam is Adi, which will be followed by a Jatishwaram in the Ragam Shankarabaranam, and the Talam is Rupakam.
Mano
our first vocal Aradhana was offered by the beginners 2-level students of teacher Girjamma, who was guiding them on stage. Accompanying them on the mridangam was Gautam, and on the violin they were accompanied by students Parnisami and Kamalapriya. So our little ones have taken us to a beautiful flying melodious start to the Navaratri of 2013, and our stage will now be set for the tabla solo Aradhana that's about to be offered by Mr. Vishwesh.